Hi guys, we're having a severe weather watch right now. I saw this coming in earlier. These clouds were moving in very fast. It was weird that I get to see clouds on top of clouds, but the ones are moving. So here we go. I'm walking to the house right now, but this is where the lightning and thunder is right here. It's not raining, thank God. But I saw these clouds rolling in. Here it goes. Listen. The wind picked up. Trying to get some thunder noises, but it's not happening. It's starting to rain. Sprinkling right now. Alright guys, here we go. Now watch when I get off here, you're going to hear thunder. Good night.